This is the elevator at the Seven Seas Resort in Daytona Beach, and look what we have here. An original General Oiltronic. Wow. With GAL fixtures. And there's a view of the interlock. The door equipment looks to be replaced, but the fixtures and everything else appear to be original. Let's go to one. Here's a view of the cab. This really, really nice elevator. Back up to 3. You have a non-ADA phone. This is a really nice sounding motor, but sadly you can't hear it because of the fan. Let's go to 2 first. And notice you have an armor open door, black halo armor button for the door open. And you can see this thing's definitely a bit well used. Here we are. See? Armor there. But GAL floor buttons going down.
Up.
Oh, up? 3?
Yep.
Yep, okay. I'm just taking a ride. This is a vintage elevator.
It is.
Do you know how old it is?
About 1981, I guess.
That's...
The building was built.
That's the year the building was built?
Yeah.
Okay.
Somewhere around there.
Is this thing reliable or does it break a lot?
No, that's good.
Well, that's good. I like vintage elevators, so yeah, they're the most interesting to me, so yeah. Have a nice day. That's what a nice person looks like. And that being said, I really hope they don't modernize this. But you know, we all know it's in Florida, and they like to mod elevators for no reason, just for the sake of them being modern. So, yeah. One more ride up. Here we go. Up on 3. Let's watch 2 go out. Let's get a view. There's your coal station. There's your... Whoa. Bad elevator. There's your lantern. COP's a bit loose. On 1, and we will get off here. There's your coal station. And interesting, I like that indicator there. Well, anyway, there it goes. And sounds like the motor just started up, and anyway, there it goes. Oh, it's over here. And that's it.